I've had this Ninja blender for 3 years now, and I use it almost every single day. So it has two of these cups that are 16 ounces each. Honestly, I wish they held a little bit more. I wish they're a little bigger because I make a protein smoothie in them every single day. But it's nice that it comes with that lid so that I can take them in the car and they're portable. Here's the blade attachment as well. So you just screw it on. Really straightforward, easy to use. It just snaps right in, it clicks into place, and it does a great job blending. The larger piece I use less often, but it's also really sturdy. It locks into place with this lid so it doesn't splatter. It holds 72 ounces, and the blade removes so that it's super easy to clean as well. It also has this spout where you can pour out your smoothie or batter or whatever, makes this super easy. So this also just attaches really easily to the top of the blender, spins to click in place. There are 3 different speed levels for blending. Yeah, so it works great for that as well, but I just use this piece less often. Now I'll show it in action real quick. I just made this quick smoothie, and you pop it on. You hold down this button for the cup. If you have the bigger ones on, you can push a button and it'll run. But for the smoothie cups, you have to hold down the button in order for it to blend. But I just do it for like 15 seconds. It blends it up super well. I've got ice and everything in there, and it comes out really smooth. I like mine thin, but if you like yours thick, it also creates really good thick smoothies. Like I said, I use it almost every single day. It's a great blender, and I've never had to replace the blade, so it lasts a long time.